Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to change the side plates on your PlayStation 5. Now the first task we need to cover is actually removing the face plates on your PlayStation 5. And what you want to do is you want to get your PlayStation 5 on a work surface and you want the disk drive facing towards you. Then you want to go in the opposite corner of the disk drive. You want to get your hand behind the cover and you want to pull up and towards yourself. And you should feel a little pop, and this will be the cover taken off. So I'll replace my covers with a black one. See these little spikes on the back? These will slot back into the slots on your PlayStation 5. Push up and it should pop straight into place. Once we have that side done, you want to flip it over. You want the PlayStation logo away from you. And again, pull up and pull towards yourself. As you can see this sticker here, if you want to know where we got them from, check out the description in the link below. We will be covering this up, but if you'd like to add one to your PlayStation, check out the description below where you'll find where to buy it. So let's get our cover. Again, we're going with a black. You want these spikes to go in the corresponding holes on the PlayStation 5. You should just slip in and push upwards and it should all attach nicely, and there you go. New covers on our PlayStation 5. We now are all black. So hopefully that helps you out. If it does, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, smash that like, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.